In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Turo discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Turo discount code. Right here go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see right here we have some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this one at 5% discount off your next order, simply select this promotion right here. And this is the promo code. You can simply tap right here to copy this promo code and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get this 5% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, if you scroll down a little bit you should be able to find this website which is called simplycodes.com. And right here, as you can see, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. For example, let's say if you want to get this one with 20% discount, all you need to do right here is select copy code. And this is our promo code. You can tap right here to copy the promo code and you can apply this promo code on your next purchase in order to get this 20% discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.